So in this video we're going to learn about some easy methods to find the larger fractions. If given two fractions, how we can calculate which fraction is the larger one. For example, if we are given with 5 by 11 and 7 by 15, how you can calculate which fraction is greater without doing the division. If you want to divide 5 by 11, it is a big task, or if you also want to try divide 7 by 15, you cannot find it in a short time without using calculator. But to know which value is greater one, we can do a shortcut trick, like if you do the multiplication of numerator of the first fraction with the numerator of second fraction, denominator of second fraction, that is 5 by 15 is equal to 75, that we write here. Next, if we multiply the numerator of second fraction with numerator of first fraction, then we will get 77. So if you now compare these two values, 75 and 77, 75 is less than 77, that is 77 is greater than 75. So we can say that the fraction associated with 77 is this one. So 77 is associated with 7 by 15. So 7 by 15 is greater than 5 by 11, as 77 is greater than 75. So this is a shortcut trick without calculating your division below. Next, in an example, like if we are given with some greater values like 17 by 20, 25 by 28, 77 by 80, 35 by 38. So if you want to find the division values, it is very complicated problem. So we have to find a shortcut trick for getting the correct order here. If you want to arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order, you will need to find the smallest and greatest number fractions first. So in this values, you can observe that the common difference of their numerator and denominator is common. Like here it is 3, 17 minus 20 is 3, 20 minus 17 is 3. Here also 25 minus 28 is equal to 3. Here also 77 minus 80 is equal to 3. 35 minus 30 is equal to 3. So the common difference. So in such case, when difference is common, equal, difference is same, so we can just say that the fraction which has the greatest numerator value will be the largest fraction. So in this case, 77 has the greatest numerator value, so it will be the largest among all these. The next value is 35 by 38. Next, 25 by 28 is the next value, and the least value will be the fraction that have smallest numerator value among all this. So this is the correct order of fractions in their order of magnitude value. Again, in such scenario, we can have examples where this common difference will be not equal. Like if we consider an example, say we have values like 25 by 27, 31 by 34, 76 by 81, 21 by 25. So in such cases, the difference you will see it is here 2, it is 3 here, it is 5, and here it is 3, no 4. So all these difference values are not same here, so we cannot directly say that the value with fraction with larger numerator will be the largest one, and directly we cannot mention it. In such case, you need to divide the numerator values by this difference value. Like for the first one, 25 by 2 equal to 12.5. Next, 31 by 3 will be 10.33. Next, 76 by 5 will be 1 and 15.2. Next, 21 by 4 will be 5.25. So here the value of these divisions are in this order. So if we arrange them, 15.5, 15.2 is the highest value here. So we have to take this fraction first. 76 by 81 will be the largest. Next, 12.5 is associated with 25 by 27. Next, 10.33 is associated with 31 by 34. Next, smallest value is 5.25, which is associated with fraction 21 by 25. So in this way we can find the order of fraction descending or ascending order, where the difference of numerator and denominator is not equal for all the fractions. So like again, if there are numbers like given 49 by 52 and 75 by 89, so if you want to know which fraction has the largest value, here you cannot do the cross multiplication of such two large numbers. If you multiply 49 and 82, 89 and 52, 75, it is a big task. So here also you can find the difference value. So difference here will be 3. Here also difference will be 9 and 14. 75 by 79 and 4. So since the difference are not equal, so you cannot also again say that the fraction which have greater numerator is the larger fraction. But here we have to do the division again, like 49 by 3 and 75 by 4. So 49.3 by 3 will be 116 and 75 by 4 will be 118. So since 16 is less than 18, 16 is less than 18, so our second fraction will be greater, that is 75 by 79 is greater than 49 by 52. So these shortcut tricks can help you in the competitive exams to quickly find the ascending or descending order of given fractions. So please try to remember this for getting correct answer in